In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bracket order on TradingView. A bracket order is a smart trading strategy that combines a take profit and a stop loss order, enabling you to manage both risk and reward effectively. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can follow along with ease, even if you're new to the platform. To get started, you'll first need to place an initial trade. This could be a buy or sell order depending on your trading strategy. You can choose between limit, market, or stop orders for the position you wish to open. Once your order is set and confirmed, it's time to access the order panel within your TradingView account. Navigate to the Working Order or Open Position section in your trading panel. This is where you can review and manage your active orders and positions. Your next step is to locate the option that says Protect Position or look for a modification button linked to your order. Clicking this will allow you to enhance your trade with additional protective measures. With the Protect Position feature activated, it's crucial to engage the take profit and stop loss options. By doing so, you're essentially setting up a safety net for your trade. This involves checking the respective boxes to enable these features, ensuring they are ready to be customized according to your trading objectives. Now, it's time to define the parameters for your take profit and stop loss. This is where precision comes into play. Depending on your preference, you can set these exit levels using a variety of metrics. You may opt for a specific price level if you have a precise target in mind. Alternatively, you could use a tick value, which relates to the market price movement. If you're interested in working with percentages, you could set these based on a percentage of your entry price, or you might simply choose to set a specific dollar figure as your benchmark. The flexibility here allows you to tailor the bracket order to suit your unique risk tolerance and profit goals. With your parameters all set, the last step is to apply the bracket order. Simply click the Modify or Apply button to confirm your settings. This will effectively place both the linked take profit and stop loss orders, providing you with peace of mind as you engage in trading. A key feature of bracket orders is their automatic cancellation capability. If your take profit level is reached and executed, the stop loss order will automatically be canceled, and vice versa. This ensures a seamless trading experience without the need for constant manual oversight. Furthermore, you have the option to modify or even cancel the bracket order directly from your position or order panel anytime you see fit. While using this feature, keep in mind that the exact buttons and options you'll encounter may slightly differ, especially if you are modifying an existing order rather than protecting a currently open position. This flexibility allows you to adapt quickly to different trading circumstances and tailor your approach to each unique situation.